Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage in Excel. So guys, in order for you to do this, as you can see over here, I have a list of amount. So in order for you to calculate the percentage, you could just simply type in over here equal sign and then select the tab beside it or the Excel. And now after that, just simply provide a slash or divided by, and just simply follow this prompt over here. So put a sign and go for the row B. So it is on row B. And after that, put the sign again. And after that, it is on 14. So I'm going to go for 14. And as you can see, it detected it and just simply enter. So now this is the number. So in order for you to change it as percentage, now just simply go to home and go for the general over here. And from here, select percentage. And you should be able to have the percentage. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and drag this down over here by clicking the corner icon. And you should be able to have all of the percentage that you have. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.